Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Trent Sowers here with All Things Automotive. If you guys haven't already, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date on our daily inventory. Today we're going to look at a 2012 Honda Pilot EXL. Clean Carfax, 2 previous owners, just under, I believe, 91,000 miles. So we're going to take a look around the vehicle. This is an awesome vehicle, definitely very practical. All-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, third row. It's going to be very affordable, very reliable, so this vehicle just makes sense. I'm going to walk around the vehicle, show you some of the features, advantages, and benefits, and there are some nice convenient features to this vehicle as well. Starting up front here, as you can see, high-intensity headlights. You do have fog lights integrated in the lower bumper. Nice chrome grille, got a black grille insert and nice chrome trim around the front and around the fog lights. Like new tires all the way around, I believe they're 12/32. You have a nice stock Honda alloy wheel there, shiny rotors as you can see. Running boards, so that's always a nice feature. Let's take a look at the inside, guys, on the door card. You're going to have a two-tone black and gray here, brushed aluminum. You do have powered options on both seats, and you have nice tan leather, or almost gray tannish leather all the way around. That's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Let's take a look at the used car mechanical check sheet. You can find these in the glove box of all of our vehicles here at All Things Automotive. 12/32, that's practically a brand new tire. Brake pads are good, along with a fresh oil change, PA state inspection, new brake pads, new cabin air filter, and a top to bottom detail just for you. As you can see, clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. It's going to offer a lot of nice space for you here, guys. As you can see, plenty of leg and hip, shoulder, and waist room back here in the middle row. Then these are going to fold up for easy access to the third row. As you can see, I'm going to even get back here with no issue. Just set that back right there and you're good to go. Back here you have cup holders, you have some vents, so your third row passengers can be very comfortable. Now I'm 5'9", I do have a good bit of room back here. It's not going to be the roomiest back here in the third row, but these seats do fold flat for extra cargo space if you need. So let's go check out the back. Just going to step out here. Back, it's going to slide back really easy. Let's check out the lift gate here. There's your handle right here. It is automatic liftgate assist. As you can see, the button there. Okay. Like I said, these seats do fold flat for extra cargo space. Looks like an 80-20 split. You just pull that lever. And you have a nice large cargo area right there if you don't need that third row. Like I said, not a ton of room in the third row, but it's there if you need it. Nice 12-volt right here. Okay, some storage down below, tire and jack down below that plastic piece there. This one is set up with a hitch and a trailer brake. And I'll get to that in just a second. Push that button and watch the magic happen. Okay. Fuel release, or fuel lids on that side, releases inside. Let's take a look on the driver area. You have your powered locks here, you have your mirror adjustments, powered windows, and again, powered driver seat and passenger seat options. Let's take a look inside here, guys. Nice, comfortable leather seating. You will get 2 keys for your added convenience. This one is equipped with aftermarket remote start. Yeah, just under 91,000 miles here, as you can see. It's telling me to put my seatbelt on, so I guess I should. All right, guys. Like I said before, it does have a hitch, and you have your trailer brake controls right there. Okay, there's your 4-wheel drive lock right here. As far as the steering wheel goes, you can be hands-free via Bluetooth right here, and then you have your cruise control to your right, and then on your left stem you have your turn signal indicators right there and your lamp selector, and to the right stem you have your windshield wipers. It is equipped with a nice backup camera here, as you can see. FM, AM, XM, looks like you have a CD, and definitely a lot of different ways to put media through here via USB or auxiliary. Working our way down, there's all your radio controls right here. And you do have heated seats in the front, which is really nice. With rear, you have some rear climate control as well. Pretty straightforward shifter with a manual shift mode. A lot of nice storage down here, guys. And you have a privacy cover right here. Just put that back. Opens up to a nice deep storage area right here with an auxiliary 12 volt. You're good to go. It is equipped with a nice sunroof here, as you can see. And it is operational. There you go. We're on top of the world now. So this would be a perfect family vehicle here, guys. Plenty of space, third row, four-wheel drive. It's going to be right in a nice affordable range for you. And you can't beat a Honda. All right, guys, let's check out. I believe it's a V6 engine. Let's take a look at the Carfax here. 3.5 liter V6 engine. All-wheel drive for them uncertain times. Let's make sure we're in park. Okay. I will show you where the hood release is. It's kind of hidden. It's way up in here. Back in that pocket right there. Super bottom left. Nice vehicle for the age and miles here, guys. Like I said, it's a pre-owned vehicle. It's not going to be perfect, but this vehicle just makes sense. Okay. Nice clean engine bay. No evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. To me, that sounds like a nice sound 3.5 liter V6 engine, nice and quiet, and reliable, still good on gas. We got a nice SUV here, guys. Can't beat it. Like new tires all the way around. All the maintenance is done. Fresh PA state inspection. Essentially, it's ready to hit the road for you this vacation season. So start thinking about that. Last portion of the video here, guys. I'm going to walk around and show you any dents, dings, or imperfections this pre-owned vehicle may have. Now, it is a 2012, keep in mind, but for a 2012, pretty good condition. As you can see, the hood here, you're going to have some blemishes as far as light scratches on the hood. In the bottom here, you're going to have stone chips. Our crew did a pretty good job of getting this thing showroom ready for you here, guys, but it is a 2012. All in all, pretty good shape. Some curb rash on the wheel here, on the alloy wheel. But like I said, 12-30 seconds. I think 13-30 seconds is pretty much a brand new tire. So you're going to have a lot of life left on those treads. Weston running board here. That's a nice addition. Okay, some blemishes here in the rear passenger door. Looks like another blemish here. The roof looks good. There's your four-wheel drive badging. Dual exhaust. There's your hitch. Okay, and it does look like you have 7 or 4-pin wiring there. Pretty good shape back here. Just said some more curb rash right there. The wheels are not in perfect condition, but this is a very practical vehicle here, guys. A lot of space if you need it. Other than that, pretty clean. Come see it for yourself here, guys. If you have any questions, give us a call, 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, shop online 24/7. And yes, you can even get yourself pre-approved, but you want to make sure you get yourself covered and make this car brand new again in the ways of extended coverage. So please ask your sales consultant today about extended coverage, or just come out to 21518 Great Cove Road in Collinsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a beautiful day.